Okay, so let's take a look at how you can install Elementor Pro on your WordPress setup. So what we're going to do is we are going to get into the dashboard for Elementor. As you can see, this is my account, and clicking on this download button should start the download for Elementor Pro. Okay, so after download it should look something like this. Okay, now I'm going to check my WordPress dashboard and go to the plugins, click on add new. Now here I have to upload the plugin, so I'm going to choose a file here and point to my desktop, and here you see my Elementor Pro zip which I downloaded from account. Okay, now you can click on install now. After the installation of plugin, you will have to click on this activate plugin button. Okay, so that may also ask you to install Elementor now, because we uploaded the pro version, but we have to also upload the basic Elementor as well. So simply click on install Elementor. It will download that zip file and activate that. Okay, so you will get a screen something like this. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to add the license by going to this license link from the left hand sidebar. Now we can use please activate your license, so simply use connect and activate, and then it will go to official Elementor page, and here it will ask you to click on connect. Okay, simply connect and wait for it to move back to your dashboard. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we have our Elementor Pro activated. We can simply go to system info and validate our license and other details. Okay, as you can see, license has been activated successfully. Okay, if you see this message, that means Elementor Pro is installed and activated for the site. You can also check your my accounts page and check for the website which is connected, but for that you have to refresh the dashboard as well. Okay, that being said, so this was a short demo on how you can install Elementor Pro and also connect the license to your website.